Stunning testimony today as Bob Bashara took the stand. This is the first time he's actually talked about it since the murder of his wife, Jane, back in 2012.
Right now, Bashara is fighting for a new trial, and we're finally getting some answers to some of the questions that we have been asking since the beginning. On the stand, Bashara talked about his secret life of S&M in great detail. He says he got into the lifestyle in the early 2000s, but he insists his relationships were more than just sex.
It was over a period of months and a year that I started learning and I started understanding what these women were going through. They were being abused and treated poorly in the name of the lifestyle. What all these men wanted were rough sex. And so I felt like that it was something that I could do to learn, and I got into the lifestyle by talking to people.
Is this the first time you ever testifying in court?
Yes, it is.
Bashara, known as Master Bob, told the court he was different from other men in the S&M lifestyle because he says he helped one of his former submissives get a job. He also told the court about his relationship with his wife, Jane, and what she knew about his so-called secret life of domination.
She knows that I was viewing the lifestyle, and I don't know why, I can't say for her what she actually knew, but we did not discuss my involvement in the lifestyle, no. She knew, she described it as weird sex. And,
well, this testimony today was riveting in some cases. This is really all about, as we mentioned, Bashara getting a new trial. And in order to make that happen, he is pointing the finger at his own defense team for not properly representing him at his first trial.
After repeated requests for me to, I wanted to testify because there was so much misinformation, so many lies, so many pieces of false evidence that were presented that I knew was absolutely incorrect. I wanted to testify, and they told me that if I did, I would be convicted, that I should absolutely not testify, that they had this, don't worry about it, we've got this. You have to trust our years and years of experience, and I felt that I was grossly misled by that.
Well, so far, no decision from the judge here. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Right now, Bashara is serving a life sentence for the murder of his wife, Jane. He's also doing 15 years for trying to hire a hitman to kill Joseph Gentz inside the Wayne County Jail. So even if he does get a new trial and he wins, he could still be locked up for years to come, Stephen.